everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collective haul. This one is from AliExpress. You guys, I did go to AliExpress and hauled a whole bunch of dies from KS Craft site and only one from a different site. I was looking for girly dies, but I'm not too sure who is a good seller or a good company that I can buy them from, so I didn't want to take the risk. Anyways, so the one I did buy, and it was a I saw somebody post some this here on YouTube, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. So I remembered, and I went and ahead and bought it. This is a what is it called? Like oh my goodness, like a price banner or gift banner or a banner. Oh my goodness. So I got this one. This one was from a different seller. If you guys want the link, I'll link it down on the description below if you guys want the link. And then I did haul KS Crafts, some of the KS Crafts that came out. This was a collective haul because I did do everything separately, and I love the prices that, oh my goodness, they had like, they also had like a 30% off or a percentage off. So yeah, I can't remember which ones were percentage off, but yeah. So I got me this cookie one, this cookie jar. I had been looking for this. This says mini album, but I don't see the little things on the side, so I might have to convert that, which is no problem. So I finally got it. I have been eyeing that one. This is a box holder, so basically like the milk carton holder. It's one of those, and oh my goodness. So yeah, I was surprised that I had these differently. I'm so used to saying KS Craft and differently. So yeah, anyways, I also got this mini backpack. Yeah, I've been also eyeing this one for a while. Here are the cartons for that box right here. This right here. So yay. Here is the 3D market stand, and you guys, I did not expect it to be this big. It's actually taller than I had expected and bigger, so really surprised on this one. Usually some stuff comes smaller or differently. I found this one too. This is a cookie sheet, and also again, my hands are small, you guys. My hands are like what? Oh, it's about a little 6 1/4. Yeah, so yeah, that's the size. And here's the thing for the to make it a book. So yeah, use that. I got that cow, you guys. Oh my goodness. KS Craft Hannah just came out with the mini cow album, and I was so excited. Oh my goodness, who did I see? I think it was just like the preview the week prior to her, like, or the day before her her showing the actual everything. So I went there and got it right away. Oh my goodness, I had to have it. I also got this what is it, the mini car, the buggy. Oh my goodness, I had to have it. And then I found the Cowgirl Shadow Words. I got the nail polish. So this one was smaller than I had anticipated. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. This one is actually a about 2.5, maybe a little bit, maybe less than 2.5. So those are the nail polishes. So not bad. I was okay with it because I was like, oh, I have to make bigger ones. Anyways, and then here is the little mini cow. Oh my goodness, so excited. I got these. I think I have a few more trailing in here and there, but it's no big deal. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and I will probably not be creating with these anytime soon due to I have some swaps to complete and focus on. So anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.